Hello guys, welcome in the new video of Tech Psycho. Myself Sivang. So today we are gonna see how we can use custom CSS in LWC. So right now you can see everything is fine, everything is looking good. Lead type, phone, description, details, website, email. So let me refresh the page and it will change the game. So yeah, you can see the UI is not looking good right now. So details and description field are text area. So we need to set some default height. So if the default size of text area fields are same, so we can see a good UI. And later on, if you want to use something like that, so you can use and write something if you want, but there will be a thing like that default size should be a same. And this is the one scenario like I am talking about. That can be a different thing, like if you want to apply custom CSS and that is not working for you. So today we are gonna see how we can do that. So let's go in code. So you can see we are using text area field and there is one more text area with details. So these are the two fields that we are using right now, and we have tried custom text area CSS, but that is not working. So you can see we have set 32 pixels for that field and we have save and deploy. So yeah, that thing is not working right now, so we will see how we can do that. And maybe you want to do different things with the CSS, so that will help for you. Basically what happens here, like there is some default SLDS classes and all the things that will not override with the help of custom CSS. And maybe you have tried some standard classes also, that also not works. And we are gonna talk about it last step, like you have tired with all the things. So what at last you can do with CSS. So today we are gonna see the same. So we are using render callback. Let me uncomment the code. So we have used render callback. In this we are calling one method and where we are applying the CSS. So what we are doing in apply custom CSS, basically we are selecting the class custom text area, and after selecting the text area we are applying the style with the help of create element. So that's CSS we were using in CSS, so we have applied this same CSS here, and then we append the style, and also we are checking for else condition. So we will get the error also if this is not found. So we are gonna try this now, and let me deploy the code. So let's refresh the page now. So yeah, you can see the description field here. So default size is now 32. So we have not applied the on details. You can see we have not used any class for details one. So we are able to apply the custom CSS for the description field that we have used custom CSS. So if you want to use here, so we can use the class, and let's deploy this code. So let's see now, and let's try inspect here if we are able to find that class. So yeah, you can see we have applied 32 pixel height here, and let's see red. Let's try border color red. So we have set the border color, and let's deploy this code. So now we can refresh. Yeah, you can see guys, description details fields border are red now. So these are the things like you can try, and you can try this thing with any CSS and anything you want, and that will perfectly work for you. That's all guys for custom CSS in LWC. If you want that code, you can comment it down, I will put for you. And yeah, that's all. See you in guys next video. Thanks for watching.